Organizations that are designing sophisticated products with either electromechanical or highly engineered components need to balance product development costs, quality, and time to market pressures. Today, many companies are still struggling with an inability to create and use a complete 3D digital prototype of their product, including both the mechanical and the electrical components. This inability to capture the full definition prevents designers from working in the entire context of the assembly and leads to errors in the design and much longer design cycles. The PTC 3D design solution allows you to quickly and easily capture the full digital prototype. Using award-winning CAD technology that is scalable and interoperable, along with best practices to help transform your design process, this solution affords you faster time to value. Our scalable CAD software facilitates better collaboration across design disciplines with customers, internal stakeholders, and suppliers through a suite of interoperable role-based apps. This enables you to validate designs earlier in the design process, eliminate errors, and then optimize those designs for cost and quality. And with superior design technology, your teams can accelerate all of your CAD activities, from routine tasks like importing models to higher value tasks such as creating complex surfaces. All of this frees up valuable cycle time for more important activities, like creating better, highly differentiated new concepts that make yours a winning design. By combining superior CAD technology with best practices based on experiences with tens of thousands of customers, the PTC 3D design solution enables your team to create and use robust 3D digital prototypes, allowing you to reduce product development costs, increase quality, and speed time to market.